Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the video session of Cantab Publisher. The students, you should have in your hands the textbook of English grade 1. So students, we are here in the second lecture of chapter 1st. As you have earlier studied the grammar portion of lecture 1, that is the use of a and an in terms of vowels, today we will study the capitalization and full stops. So, as I have earlier told you that we are studying our lesson 1, lecture number 2, that is of Allah is one. But before going to start that, our second lecture is emphasizing on what? Punctuation, that is the use of capital letters and full stops in terms of sentences. So students, now I am going to explain you people with examples. So our first example is Pakistan is our country. So our first sentence is what? Pakistan is our country. Now, in terms of this sentence, first you should have clear in your mind that whenever we have the first word of any sentence, that should be what? That should be capital. So any sentence, when it is starting from any word, its first alphabet will be capital. So the first sentence is Pakistan is our country. So the correct form, what would be its corrected form? This is its corrected form. You have straight away noticed that the first alphabet is what? That is capitalized. And the second thing is that at the end of every sentence there should be a full stop. So we have full stop in the last sentence. We have marked the full stop at the end of the sentence. So this is the correct version of the sentence 1. Now I am going to the next sentence. That is, we are students. We are students. Now see the first alphabet, that is W, that is what? That is small. And there is no full stop here. No full stop. So the correct version is what? The correct version is the W will be capitalized and there should be a full stop at the end of the sentence. Now coming towards the third example. Anoral is my sister. So where we have to capitalize the alphabet? That is the first alphabet of the first word of the sentence. So A will be capitalized. And there is what? There is full stop at the end of the sentence. The next example is here in Alishba, A is what? A is small. So A will be replaced in term of capital letter and there should be full stop at the end. Next example is Shayan is in class 1. Here again you are seeing that S is small, so this S should be replaced with capital S, and there should be what? Full stop at the end. And you are clearly seeing that Cheyenne is being capital and there is full stop at the end of the sentence. So, the further examples of capital letters and full stop. Now put capital letters and full stop in the given spaces. The same again, Ali is a boy. So here A is what? A should be capitalized and there should be full stop. He is my friend. So H will be capitalized and full stop at the end of the sentence. He stands first in the class. Our next sentence is he stands first in the class. So here again the first alphabet of he is capitalized and full stop is mentioned at the last word of the sentence. We go to school together. So W of we is capitalized and full stop is here. Now students, you have to arrange the jumbled words into meaningful sentences. So you people are now simplified the things in a manner that the first word is the first alphabet of the starting word of the sentence should be capital. So here in this sentence, teacher full stop is my father. Which word is capital? My is, the M of my is what? That is capital. So our sentence should be starting from what? From my. And the teacher should be placed at the last of the sentence because here is full stop. So what would be the correct version of the sentence? That is, my father is a teacher. So my come first and teacher in the last with full stop. The next sentence is apples full stop eat like you too. So which word should be at the start of the sentence? You should be at the start because it starts with the capital letter. And apple should be in the last. Apples should be in the last because there is full stop. So the correct sentence should be you like to eat apples. You like to eat apples with a full stop here. The next sentence is cat, dog, animals are and. Now animals should be at the last because here full stop is mentioned and the C of the cat is what? Is capital. So the correct sentence should be cat and dog are animals. The cat is capital, that is why the starting word of the sentence is what? Starting from the cat and animals in the end because here is full stop. The next sentence is class 1, class I1, full stop, study in. So this should be mentioned in the last and I is capital here. It should be here in the starting. So I study in class 1. So the correct sentence is I study in class 1 because the starting alphabet and word, the starting of the sentence is capital and there is full stop in the last. The next sentence is can run I fast. So as fast is at the last because there is full stop in the last and I is capital, so I will be in the leading, and so the correct version is I can run fast because I is capital and there is full stop in the last. So students, you have recognized the use of capital letters and the use of full stop, that whenever you have a sentence, the first letter should be capital of a sentence and there should be a full stop in the last. So here we are going to recognize the capital letters in our poem. The poem title is what? That is Allah is one. So Allah is one. Created everyone. Allah is one. Feeds everyone. Allah is all in all. Sees everyone. Allah is one. Guides everyone. And Allah is one. So here A is capital in Allah, C is capital in created, A is again capital, F is capital, A capital, S capital in sees, A capital in Allah, guides in guides, G is capital and again A is capital. So this is what these are capital letters. Now students, you have the homework, that is you have to write down these sentences correctly with the use of capital letter and full stop. You can take help from your parents and from your siblings. The next 3 sentences of homework. And thank you so much for today's class. Good luck and Allah Hafiz. See you in the next class.